Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can withdraw your money from Acorns. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First, you must have a bank account link. Make sure that you have a verified bank account linked to your Acorns Invest account. This is where your withdrawal will be sent. Next, open the Acorns application or even click on the website to go to the Invest section and click Invest on the website. Then choose Withdraw option within the Invest section. Now select the amount you want to withdraw. Acorns may display your available balance for withdrawal. Now verify the associated bank account you wish to have the money deposited into. After that, verify every information twice, then submit your withdrawal request. And that's how you can withdraw your money from Acorns. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.